ground, putting it down. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Stock Scoop. I'm Mickey D, aka the Baby Knockout GOAT, ladies and gentlemen. I'm the creator of the Baby Knockout trading strategy, where our baby knockouts knock out the stock market competition. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you once again for joining me. What a day, what a week, what a next couple months we have coming up. The summer, it's going to be slow. I don't think it's going to be slow for our sectors. We're going to talk about cannabis today. We're going to look at a couple of the ETFs. What are the ETFs telling us? Can they, take us in one direction or take us in another direction, or they up or down, or oftentimes they can give a little signal. We'll take a look and we'll see what the sector is talking about. It's undervalued or it's overvalued. We'll be taking a look here in the next few days. We'll probably go out and walk tomorrow. The next day or so, we'll be doing our thing. We're gonna have fun while Congress is locked up right now, telling us what they're going to do about cannabis, whether they're going to legalize recreational like they have pretty much done, Schedule 1 to Schedule 3 like they did with medical, they may do with recreational. We'll see, ladies and gentlemen. But I tell you, I'm still on cloud nine here. My birthday was yesterday. Thank you for all the shout outs. Oh, you guys didn't know? The family knew. So thank all the family members and all my friends for their shout outs. I tell you, my daughter still has it, man. She sang happy birthday to me. I mean, Whitney Houston couldn't have done a better job. I mean, she was just fantastic. Love you, daughter, love you. And son too, love you, and grands and everybody and family. Mom and dad hooked me up, the wifey, everybody got the hookup, man. I got the hookup. So it's all good. Thank you very, very much. And I'm easy, you know. You know, people that have known me for a while, feed me and feed me and I'm pretty good. So let's have it like that, you know. But ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about ETFs for a minute here. Sometimes these ETFs can tell you if a sector's overheated or not, or if it's coming up to a trade, or if it's bottomed out or anything. You never really know. But let's take a look at a couple of these ETFs, and we'll make this short. It's not going to be a long video, ladies and gentlemen. Just as we lean up to getting something from Congress here in the next couple weeks, we'll see. July, we're going to be working. We'll have the 4th here. Happy 4th of July, 250th. You guys know the story about what's going on. America is, 250 years young. 250 years young. So we'll definitely celebrate that. You guys be careful. Don't lighten things. Be careful. Just be careful. That's all I'm saying. Just be careful. Especially if you're around youngsters. Be very, very careful. But let's take a look. You also take a look at the marijuana clubs that are out there that are doing their thing right now. And if you want to start one, I'll show you exactly how to go about that. Make sure you hit that like, share, that thumbs up. You know when I talk about this green stuff, you guys know what time it is. I'm like banned, dude. I'll show you even proof that I'm like, you're Mickey D. We don't want anything to do with you and your cannabis. Okay, later, dude. Well, I'm here and I'm staying here. I don't care if I get my lunch money or not, or my gas money or not. I'm here. Let's take a look. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Let's take a look at some of these ETFs and see if they're telling us anything about the cannabis market, or if they're telling us anything. We're early right now. We haven't gotten any information from Congress, and we're looking at MSOS, the Advisor Shares Pure U.S. Cannabis ETF, $4.75 right now, ladies and gentlemen. It is bouncing off. You see the purple right here? It's bouncing off that 200-day moving average, the purple right now. Where is it going to bounce to? We're hoping with these hearings and some good news coming out of Washington, we're hoping that all these ETFs will bounce up. But for now, it's not really telling us very much, ladies and gentlemen. Let's look at the MJ, the Amplify Alternative Harvest ETF. It's actually below the 200-day moving average. So it's really not telling us anything other than it's struggling to get up above the 200-day moving average, which is all important, ladies and gentlemen. So it's not doing anything either. Let's take a look at one more. Let's take a look at Tim Seymour's Amplify Seymour Cannabis ETF, CNBS. It's trading at $27 a share here. Uh, it's also bouncing off the 200-day moving average. So what are these ETFs telling us? Well, they're telling us they're struggling with the 200-day moving average here while we're going through these hearings. So they can either go up or they can go down. Ladies and gentlemen, we could have something special here, or we could have a crash. Uh, we'll see how it goes on that end, ladies and gentlemen. We'll just play it by ear and see how it goes. But it is a time for you to hook up with someone now in one of these cannabis investment clubs, ladies and gentlemen. It's not a bad idea to brush up on what's going on. Let me see if I can get you the Bible that we'll be using going through this cannabis here. We'll be going. You can go to Amazon. You can get this, ladies and gentlemen. It's only $10, and you can listen to the audio book for an hour. How to start a marijuana investment club. Now, there's going to be clubs starting. There's going to be tens of thousands of people, ladies and gentlemen, that are going to want to be that are going to be in this trade. Let's face it; these guys are going to go hog wild when Congress gives the go ahead on some of this stuff, ladies and gentlemen. They've gone hog wild already, but it's a good thing. It's a good thing. Things are, regulated or what have you. They've gone to Africa. They see how things are going to work, and they know what strands work, especially with the medical, with what the administration is trying to do. They're trying to work the cannabis into the medical, and they're trying to have Medicare things. We can't, because if it's working, why do people have to go through all these surgeries and do all this things that they have to do to cover their pain when they could take something like a CBD or something. Don't get me wrong, I'm not for this, I'm not against it. I'm just telling you the facts, man. And the facts are it's been working in Africa, and that's that. So we'll definitely see. But you listen to like a little hour book like this, you can learn a lot. I'm just telling you, the very best selling books of my life. The number one best selling book for my publishing company has been a small claims book. Now, how to win in small claims and collect them. Yeah, the book is right now, it's been turned over. It's in multiple languages and stuff. But let me turn this around. I'm gonna tell you about the facts of it. 1 hour can change your life. And it has a lot of people with even the small claims book that I wrote. I wrote this book 30 some odd years ago. Quick story, guys. Quick story. Small claims court story. See, I sold real estate in Southern California, and bills are, things are expensive in Southern California, right? I was a young realtor, and I did a deal, and my broker, who's supposed to break me off, right? He was having a little financial difficulty, so he used. First, he asked me, could he have some of my, I needed my money. Could he have some of my commission? I think I was going to let him have $500 or something. It was only a $2,000 commission. Bottom line is, he took it all, paid the bills and all this other stuff, because it was kind of slow at that time. So I took him to small claims court. And before Judge Judy and all this other stuff, there was Judge Wapner. You guys remember? You guys remember Judge Wapner? I was on his show. They picked my case for Judge Wapner's show. So I was on Judge Wapner's show. I beat this guy like a drum, man. He had to give me all the money back. And I tell you, it was something else, you know. But yeah, I was Southern California. I had a lot of little small claims court case. I had to go to, to get money and stuff, And, I had my share. I was one of those, Mercedes Benz, and he had one, my wife had one, and they had this, and then the kids had this, one of them kind of. We had a nice house and all that stuff. We wasn't, like they are now at some of these conferences. Been there, done that, as a brother, been there, done that. So I live a modest lifestyle now. But as the baby knockout, this trading strategy right now could make you a lot of money. And I want someone to get a hold of Pretty Boy Floyd Mayweather. If you can get a hold of Mayweather, tell him Mickey D, the creator of the baby knockout trading strategy, I am willing to give him free reign. I'll tell him everything I know because I hear he's in a little financial hot water. Trade baby knockouts for a living, and you will be like some of my students that have made money. Mayweather. I'm rolling the red carpet out for Floyd Mayweather, the former boxer. Trade baby knockouts and you'll be in a lot better shape. But anyway, ladies and gentlemen, it's been fun. Let's see how this thing rolls out. July, later on, we'll be focusing on uranium because uranium is doing some amazing things right now, ladies and gentlemen. And our uranium baby knockouts are going to be numero uno, So save a little powder for that too. But we're watching right now. We're not fully in on this. Whatever Congress can do some things and make some things happen. And when laws change, you guys know the sectors change. So we'll see. Right now, the ETFs are telling us virtually nothing because they're going sideways and they're up and down on the 200-day moving average right now. So that's what's going on. You guys take care. Once again, the birthday. I'll leave a link up there, you guys, so you guys can give me a coffee. What about a coffee? Can I get a coffee? Some of you have been listening to me for a long time, and I don't know about y'all. We're a small knit group, and we make money. We do our thing. I haven't even remember I told you I had all these sponsors coming my way and all that stuff, and I didn't go for it. They want to do this, they want to do that. I don't even put music in this show. You know what I'm saying? This is you and I. It's like a classroom, and we learn from one another, because I don't know it all. But I'll go to the conferences and go to the seminars and everything. I'll be your eyes and ears there, and together we can make it happen, ladies and gentlemen. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family. You need strength, you need guidance, you need energy. Look up because that's where it's going to come from. Take care. Till we meet again in the next couple days, we'll be walking around and doing a little something. You guys know I'm fresh off the Planet Microcap Conference at the Bellagio, which was a lot of fun. It was fun. Anyway, love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family.